Ready?
All right.
I don't have a towel.
We're at Hammond. We're gonna throw some puppy bites. These are kind of tough to throw, so it'll be a fun little challenge. We always play Hammond together when we come to DDO. So.
Every year, yeah.
Tradition.
I think it's our third year.
Third year, yeah. Okay, have you ever thrown one of these before?
Never. This will be my very first throw. I've thrown a regular bite just for funsies, but not that much. So I would say I'm a little disadvantaged here.
Are you nervous about your
just, like,
ability
shaking,
to perform?
You know, like this is what matters.
Let me see your hands. Oh wow, yeah, she's stressed.
Like DDO, whatever. Make the cut, you know, cast, whatever. That's fine.
This is what matters.
This is what matters.
And she rolls it off into the woods there, but the roller might pay off, folks. I'm not good at this disc either, so this might be a really bad video, and
might be
therefore
rough.
it may never be released.
For the birdie. I mean,
It's just as far away.
to save par.
That's very cinematic. Nice hat, by the way. Whalesacks.com. Hey, throw it better, okay?
Pressure's on.
The heat is
I'm gonna try
on.
to Anheuser.
You have a gallery.
Annie. The Annie one does.
And it's still a roller.
Dang it! Oh, that was so good. Oh my god.
Look at that flashlight.
I don't want to walk it off.
We're calling this the par 4, so this is for par.
For purr.
For purr. Oh my god. That was horrible.
Juiced it. Wow, that was awesome. Hey, what's your disc of choice on this hole?
I'm going with the Octo Puppy Bite. It's unclear on the weight.
At least 6.
Yeah, 6 grams. Roller.
That seems to be your play, though.
I mean, that one's pretty good.
It's going,
Look
man.
how far.
It's going.
Visualize. Oh my god.
Now it doesn't turn.
My finger got in the way, but that was a beautiful shot. Dang it. It didn't roll though.
Oh,
Casual.
it's in the creek.
It's casual. Are you going roller?
Just watching this slowly push my drink over. No, I'm not gonna go rogue.
She's going air shot.
Interesting strategy.
Oh yeah.
I like that one.
We're gonna call this the bite circle's edge. Good put, left side.
I almost missed that.
Still wet. Wow. So gentle. Like a whisper.
The longest you've had.
Yeah, use the full run up. Let's see it.
It worked.
It's more of a putt style throw.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, it's way better.
Heck yeah. Somebody made a big putt.
Right behind it.
Yes, Erika.
I'm
Sit.
getting it. Par. flexy.
You outdrove me. Nice work, Erika.
Yeah, it didn't even roll.
You got me. Okay, back. Yes. No. Oh, so good.
Good putt.
Ooh.
Breezy. No.
I thought you said you wanted to throw a roller.
I mean, it's pretty good.
Up into the creek.
Wow.
Okay. Hi.
Tart it.
You
got a putt.
Hope you don't fall. Good effort. I liked the style.
For the birdie.
Oh my gosh, Erika. She got so good so fast. How do you feel?
Top of the world. What are you looking at here? Is that the gap? Can a bite fit through there?
I don't know. I guess straddle probably makes more sense.
Less fun.
Less fun.
Yes! Par 3 this time.
Yeah, it's a little shorty.
Oh!
Well, you got to the stairs. That's about 60 feet.
That was actually like a good move on it that time too. Wow.
That felt really good.
Yeah. Go in. Wow, that was a good effort.
Okay, Erika and I were just talking about this because I've got good snap and spin. I literally didn't have good snap or spin until I started throwing the bites. These are puppy bites, so you learn even more because they're very understable. But if you're trying to work on your snap and spin, get yourself a bite.
Oh, the pressure.
Puddle!
The puddle.
Comet. Can you commit to it?
Throw it as hard as I possibly can and actually try to do a roller. Roller ace.
Ooh,
Like eagle.
I've seen that on this hole before.
Alright, hard as I can.
Yes,
That's pretty good.
it's super good.
Do the roller. Throw as hard as you can.
Finesse it better.
Whatever. Wow. Oh my god.
That was not bad.
That was really good. Yeah.
Oh, it came so far down.
Alright, this is a 30-foot putt because it's 15 feet forward and 15 feet up. I think that's how math works.
Math. Oh my goodness, that was almost perfect.
For the par. Alright, you got the box on the last hole. Yeah.
Oh good, I get the box one time, the whole round.
Yep.
Erika killed it.
Good round.
Really fun.
Wait. Give me one of these. Good round. It's really windy. This is maybe a par. Well, it's a 4. It's a par 4.
Well, I know it'll be right in the middle too.
Across the creek. That's good.
I like it. Last drive off the tee pad
You must believe
to achieve.
you can achieve. That's kind of a strange wording.
Your strange wording.
No. Oh.
Oh, you didn't miss the Mando though.
Miss the Mando yet.
Yeah, you can go through the branch. Oh, it is kind of a tricky spot. Michelle, branch it.
Oh my god, the whole thing's OD?
Yeah, but I think you're safe.
I didn't know.
You're like right on the line.
I didn't know. Tina's driver's up there.
It's okay. You got this last one.
Alright.
Throw it in. Oh, sorry,
Throw
camera.
it in.
My bad.
Nope. I lost all my skills.
Fur purr. Oh, I thought maybe it did. Tina Oakley for the birdie. Do it, do it, do it. Oh.
I liked it so much.
Yeah. You can
You
put
wanna
that
get the
while you're
winning
holding it.
the winning putt?
Yes, okay, okay. We'll make this really dramatic and put some like crazy music. That was so much fun.
It was great. It was really great.
Congratulations, Erika, on your win.
Thank you.
You earned it. Like most improved, I would say.
Most improved for sure. Less rollers, by the way.
Would you throw a puppy bite for fun again?
Oh yeah, definitely. Like a short course. Like this.
Yeah. You don't want to do this at country club?
No. It definitely it's a good learning tool though. Yeah, it teaches you spin and it helps with like throwing putters too, to throw like higher and air it out. So it's a good warm up for country club.
Yeah, good luck today.
Thank you.
Alright, those of you that aren't subscribed, make sure you go do that and then hit the little bell thingy so you know when we go live, when we post videos and all that jazz. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Bye!
Bye.
Dang it. At least you're close.